Hi, I'm Stephen Lee. Welcome to AudioTrends TV. Today I have with me Mr. Phil Sawyer. Phil's the importer of Rega audio products into Australia. His company is called Synergy Audio Visual. What we're going to focus on today is two new products from Rega, the Rega Brio Amplifier and the Rega DAC. These are amazing products and I wanted Phil just to tell us a little bit more about them. The thing that you'll find quite amazing with the Rega Brio amp is the weight. It is seriously a heavy little item. So tell us a little bit about it, Phil.
Well, thank you, Stephen, and thanks for the opportunity to come in today. Both these products are part of Rega's new range that they've just released. There's also a matching Apollo CD player, so you can have a complete system. Brio R, which is this model here, is actually a part of a long line of products that Rega's produced and is for the first time as an entry-level amplifier remote control, which some of the previous models weren't. What's fascinating about this product is the utter performance that you get for the price. Being our entry-level product, it obviously has some compromises, one of which is a little bit obvious in that it's a half-size product. But that doesn't mean that we've cut back on the quality of construction. It's handmade in the UK. It has a standard 3-year warranty, but a lifetime warranty against manufactured defect, which is a little bit rare these days. Yeah. The casing is extruded aluminium, so it's not made of pressed metal, and that's part of the reason it has a bit of weight. The other reason that it's got such a substantial build is the transformer is quite a sizable toroidal supply. Only with the advent of fairly modern manufacturing techniques is it possible to fit an amplifier with that topology into a footprint that's so compact. We've got 5 inputs, one of which is a moving magnet phono input.
Now that's, hang on, sorry to stop you there.
Thank you.
That's something we don't see always these days.
No, well, Rega, being very strong in the world of turntable production, puts phono inputs on most of their amplifiers, and this is no exception, and it has a very high grade phono stage inside there, so you can direct connect a turntable without the need for an external preamp. Saves you some money. It's around about $200 or $300 value.
And I know from experience it sounds really top notch.
Well, that's been my experience as well. When I first heard this in pre-production in the UK, I heard it driving a pair of $4,000 Rega RS7s, and my jaw hit the floor with this amplifier. We were running it with a very high-end CD player at the time, and it absolutely controlled the speakers perfectly. It's very, very fast. It's got incredible control.
And look, I'd like to also point out it's got the nice heavy-duty binding posts, which can take spades or banana plugs, as we call them, and you can even put an external heavy-duty power cord on if somebody wants to do that.
It's also worth noting, Stephen, that amplifier has won a 5-star award from What Hi-Fi recently, so they just said that it's incredible value. So it's been recognised by quite a few different magazines.
Okay, well, moving on, let's talk about the DAC. This is something new from Rega, and another welcome addition. I love it. Yeah,
well, the DAC's quite fascinating. It's the same price as the amplifier and has the ability to handle not only CD resolution and compressed resolutions of music, but it can also handle high definition files from hard drives and computers and laptops and so forth. This is a very, very welcome addition to the Rega range because most of us out there are listening to our music digitally these days, be it from our iPhones or hard drives. And this DAC basically is the gatepost for getting that digital information into your hi-fi without compromise. From a specification point of view, it's quite competent. It's asynchronous, which means that it will control the amount of data coming from the source, be it a hard drive or a laptop, so that the amount of jitter that has occurred in that signal is kept to an absolute minimum. The other completely stunning feature of this is the sound quality. When we first turned this on, again, it was just absolutely sublime, and we've done some tests with this DAC, comparing it to some very, very high-priced CD players, many thousands of dollars. We've taken played a disc on those machines and then played a disc from a hard drive, the same disc from a hard drive, through this DAC, and the difference is either not noticeable or in some cases the DAC actually outperforms the very expensive CD player. So we're really, really impressed with the performance.
Yeah, likewise we are too. Yeah. Well, look, Phil, thanks very much for coming over today.
Thank you, Steve.
And until next time, enjoy the music.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.